Come, let us prepare, make some good profits today. Market left us some clues, isn't it? Let's talk about that in today's video. Plenty of liquidity here. I want you to see where the big moves will come, especially near end of the week as we see the liquidity that's building here and here. Very importantly, I want to show you later in this video. Now today, it's pretty straightforward once we identified this blue rhythm here. Very importantly, 1205. It got really straightforward once we identified the blue rhythm. Just take a look right here. We were just grinding up that magenta throughout the morning. And once you're able to see the liquidity at that blue, it got really easy to identify the trade. Now the difficulty here is in understanding how to be managing your risks. And when you see the selling in that teal, and only near to end of day here where you see the selling strengthening in that green rhythm. Now this is a good bonus, but if you see the teal selling, you can learn to manage your risks accordingly right there. But otherwise, quite straightforward here. Only once you're able to identify the blue rhythm here. Now, how many of you would have already blown your account before the blue rhythm started appearing? So very essentially, you have to learn this, that when there's no structure, there is no trade. You don't have to know everything. You don't have to catch every move. What you're trying to do is to find the structure and prepare ahead, and when it forms, when it appears, when it wants to grab this particular liquidity here, you are ready. And when you're ready, you will take a very good trade here. Now this particular trade for me, 300% trade. It's quite straightforward trade to manage, only because we were just selling down in that teal after we broke out of that blue rhythm right there. So absolutely beautiful trade here. But the market left us very, very big clues. Let's talk about that.